Hey there and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about 8 affiliate marketing codes that can help you supercharge your success. Now let's face it, as an affiliate marketer, as an online entrepreneur, you need to be motivated and inspired, and that's why just reading up some of these few motivations amidst all the chaos of the numbers or the logarithms or the strategies that you focus on, this can be your secret weapon. And that's why with these codes, they can help you to break through all of this chaos and give you that sense of renewed energy. And that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. 8 of these affiliate marketing codes. They are concise, they're relatable, and it's just what you might need for your mindset to put you on the path of success. So let's get started. Oh, before we get started, if you want to get started on your affiliate marketing journey and you don't know where to actually start, feel free to check out my #1 recommendation in the video description. Let's carry on with those quotations. Okay, let's start with the first quote. Now, the first quote is, don't put all your eggs in one basket. And I think this is a very timeless piece of advice, and it applies definitely, most definitely, to affiliate marketing. You see, the thing is, many affiliates, they make this mistake of relying just on one traffic source. Like maybe if it's just Google SEO, or maybe the Facebook ads, or maybe only one affiliate program. And I can tell you from personal experience, I am guilty of doing this. Last year, I just had my website and I was just doing SEO. I never focused on publishing my articles on any social media platform. And what happened? When Google done its major update, my site suffered traffic. Fortunately, now it's coming back up. But my point is, the main thing what you should do in a case like this is you should diversify your efforts across multiple platforms. If you can, maybe do a YouTube on your blogs, or maybe do social media, Pinterest, or one of those sort of things. Just make sure you don't rely on one traffic source, so that if one of them goes down, you still have others to back up. Make sense, right? Okay, let's take a look at the next one. You miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. And this is our ultimate reminder that you need to take action. Look, the truth is, affiliate marketing, it's full of uncertainty, especially in the beginning. Whatever you do, maybe it's your first blog post, it might not rank. Your first YouTube view is not going to get any views maybe. And your first email campaign might flop repeatedly without any additional expenses. But here's the truth: if you hesitate and if you don't take action, then your business is going to be a complete failure. So when you are starting off, it's very important to realize one thing. Nobody starts off perfectly. Everybody starts off on zero experience. Expect these little hurdles to come your way. Don't aim for perfection, rather focus on progress. As you keep going, as long as you take the action, you can refine things as you go along the journey. But the key point is to take action. Okay, I bet you that you know the next one. You might have heard it at some point in your affiliate marketing career. And that one there is, content is king. So it's all about creating high value content, high quality content, and it's a fuel that drives traffic, builds trust, and ultimately converts your visitors into buyers. Now, this is the foundation of your affiliate marketing business. Whether you are doing your blog post, YouTube channel, whether you're doing social media, email marketing, whatever it is you're doing, make sure that if your blog post or your video, if it educates them, if it answers their questions, and if it offers a helpful recommendation, then they're far more likely to click your affiliate link. The bottom line is not just about creating content, it's about creating value. And that's what you should focus on. Think of it this way, that if you are creating content, would the content be valuable for you yourself? If you find the content valuable, then there's a high possibility it's going to be valuable for somebody else. Okay, so the next one is by Mark Twain, and he said, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Now, this is very similar to one of the other quotes that we talked about, where procrastination is something that a lot of people do, and it's the biggest enemy of success. Many aspiring affiliate marketers out there, they delay action. They're waiting for either the perfect niche to come along, they're waiting for the site to look perfect, or maybe even for the perfect strategy. And the truth is, perfection does not exist. It's only going to really delay you from getting that success that you want. When you get started, it's going to be all a learning process. You're going to fail, but remember, every single failure is your lessons to what is not working in the affiliate marketing space or in the online business world. The thing is, when we in school, we taught that failure is a bad thing. We needed to get 100%. And here, when it comes to the online world, I myself have learned that failure, every time something happens in my business that does not work out, tells me that I'm one step closer to getting a success. And that's the thing, embrace the failures in the online world, because it can actually teach you way more than the success that you need. Okay, the next quotation is one of my favorite ones, and it's by Zig Ziglar, and he says, "Help other people to achieve their dreams and you will achieve yours." When you're in the affiliate marketing space, it's not just about making commissions. Look, at the end of the day, yes, you're building a business, yes, you are in need to make money, but it's really about helping others. It's not just about putting products in people's faces and expecting them just to go click on a link and buy the product. You might even make commissions that way, but it's more about providing them valuable solutions to their problems. If you're reviewing a product, make sure you do it in an honest and in a transparent way. Show them everything about the product. It's all about really having the customer's needs first and putting their needs first and say what it is that you can do to help them. And that's what you should do from the very start. Ask yourself, how can you help your audience? Even if it means giving as much free information as possible, then they're going to see you as a trusted advisor. And somewhere along the line, they're going to say, this person helped me. This guy is a genuine person, or this lady is a genuine person. I'm going to go back to him. And then eventually they will buy from you. So don't be afraid of giving as much value as you can to help somebody else out there. Okay, the next one is, success is a sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Now, I wrote this article on my website, rupeshgovan.com, so if you want to read this full article, feel free to check it out. I put the link in the video description. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich scheme. It takes time, consistency, and effort to build a profitable business. Think of it like going to the gym, right? You're not going to see results after one workout, but if you show up every day, if you're consistent, you eat right, you're going to transform over time. And it's the same thing with any business that you do, whether it's online or whether it's an offline business. Writing one blog post or making one video won't change your life, but if you do it week in, week out, it will. So start by setting small, consistent goals. Publish one post per week or creating one lead magnet, whatever. Over time, they're going to compound into massive success. And remember, the link is in the video description if you want to learn on how you can get started with affiliate marketing the proper way. Okay, we are almost there. We are at quote number 7, which is, if people like you, they'll listen to you, but if they trust you, they'll do business with you. And this is also one by Zig Ziglar. Trust. This is the currency of affiliate marketing. Consumers today, they're much more smarter than ever before. They can see when somebody is just there to shove products down their throat, or whether they do have their genuine interests at heart. And this is where you, as an affiliate marketer, you got a very important job. You need to be transparent, you need to be honest, and you need to be consistent. Especially if you're promoting something, be sure that you tested it and you researched it thoroughly so that you can stand behind the recommendations. There are affiliate marketers that I have seen that over the years, they've started out really awesome, promoting top-notch products, and they were really genuine. But over time, they started promoting mediocre products. And this is when you start saying, now, what is going on? And then you start to not trust this person anymore, because now they're not just recommending quality products, but any single product just to make the commissions. You remember, it's harder to get that customer back, especially if you've lost their trust completely. And in the online world, your reputation is one thing that you need to protect at all costs. And the final quote for today: the best way to predict the future is to create it, by Peter Drucker. Successful affiliate marketers, they don't wait for luck. They go out there and they create their own success. Instead of just hoping for the algorithm to change or maybe for the perfect niche, you take control by learning, testing, and adapting. Let's just say you're busy on your YouTube channel, something's not working. Go back to it. Maybe you have to refine your thumbnails or the content format, or maybe your SEO strategy, or maybe do something to improve the user experience. Whatever it is, the successful affiliate marketers are those who continuously learn, evolve, they innovate. It's really all about adapting and going forward. And if you've watched this video until there, I do know that you have it in you to be a successful affiliate marketer. And there you have it. There are those 8 affiliate marketing codes that can help you to supercharge your affiliate marketing success. Are any of them your favorite ones, or maybe you have some of your own that's not included on my list? And feel free to share it in the video below. I would love to hear what your favorite affiliate marketing code is. So before I leave you, I would like to wish you everything of the best in your affiliate marketing journey. I just want to tell you that, you know what, when you're starting your affiliate marketing, it does not have to be a lonely journey. If you want to actually start and you want a community to support you, to have you every step of the way, and if you want to have the tools and training all under one roof, then I highly recommend you check out my #1 recommendations. It's got a one-of-a-kind supportive online community to help you get started from the word go. And even before you even sign up to this place, they even teach you on how to choose your interest, your niche. And like I said, there's a community there to support you, but you also have the tools and the training to get started. So if you're interested in that, the link is in the video description. Once again, thanks so much for checking out this video. I wish you everything of the best in your affiliate marketing success, and feel free to subscribe to the channel so we can chat to each other in my next video. Goodbye.